Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer vacation. So students, I am your computer science teacher. Today we are going to start a chapter number 1 of 7th class emerging technologies. Today our topic is components of keyboard. Student, as you know that what is keyboard? Keyboard is an input device that is used to take data from user. Today we are discuss about components of keyboard. There are 5 components of standard keyboard. First component is typing keys, second one is control keys, third one is function keys, fourth one is navigation keys, and fifth one is numeric keypad. So students, we are discussed one by one. Firstly, we discuss typing keys. These keys include letter, number, punctuation and symbol keys. In the keyboard where you find these keys, letter, numbers and punctuation, you call that keys typing keys. The second one is control keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain action. For example, control plus C, control plus C, control plus V, control plus X and control plus P. We use that keys for certain purpose. We use the combination of that keys. Control, Alt, ESC and window logo keys are called control keys. The third one is function key. The function key are used to perform specific tasks. They are labeled as F1, F2, F3 and so on up to F12. F12 तक हमारे पास फंक्शन कीज़ होती हैं जो स्पेसिफिक फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करती हैं. Suppose F5 function key are used for refresh the window. Fourth one is navigation key. Example of navigation key: home page, up, down, delete and insert. These keys are used for moving around in document or web page and editing text. These keys are used to editing the text like these. They include the arrow keys. Arrow keys are also included in navigation keys, home keys, end page, up page, down, delete and insert. Okay. The last one is numeric keypad. The numeric keypad is handy for entering numbers. Numeric keypad में हमारे पास numbers होते हैं 0 to 9. These keys are grouped together in a block like a conventional calculator or adding machine. This key is look like a calculator in our keyboard. Okay students, I hope you were all understand this topic. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.